let me quickly close this before I can explain the strategy. I'm scalping EURUSD. Very simple strategy, doesn't need analysis or thinking. Okay, I'm done closing the trades. Okay, I left one just there on EURUSD. So this strategy is very simple, doesn't require analysis, doesn't require thinking. The reason why I had sales on EURUSD is because it was too obvious. Okay, even though this is not the strategy, but it was too obvious that it was going to sell right there. Okay, well, because it's what it has been doing. And then what I want to show you is this move right here, how to always catch this move every day on EURUSD. It's always there. It can only be you that you are not able to see it, but it's always there. Maybe before that, right on my screen I have entries that I entered using the hedging strategy. It works even though it's still under investigation. It really works. It's also another strategy that doesn't need analysis, doesn't need thinking. You just take a few steps and then you end up in profit. And to have that strategy, I have already shared it in my private group right here. So you can just join here and have all those strategies. And to join here, if you open a trading account here on FXView and fund it, even if it's the minimum deposit, I add you in that Telegram group and then you have all the strategies. Those who are new, this is a broker that I usually recommend. It's got very low spreads, okay, as you can see here on this list, and very low commissions. It's multi-regulated traders, those who worry about regulation. Here are the trading platforms, and then these are the deposit and withdrawal methods, quite a number of them, including the TRC20 network and Perfect Money. I'll just leave the links in the video description so that you can check for yourself. Let's go back to the strategy I wanted to show you. And like I said, it's not really a strategy, it's something that I am still investigating. And that is, whenever the London session closes, this box that you see is the London session. So what you have to do is to find out from your location when the London session closes. Okay, and then once you have done that, if you are on TradingView, you can just add this indicator that shows the sessions. In the indicators, let me show you. Okay, it's this one, sessions by Lux Algo. You add that indicator and then you go to the settings, and on the settings you only select the London session right here and then press OK. What you will observe is that whenever the London session ends, it is going to make a move that is opposite to the last move within the London session. So if the last move was a bearish one, the move that it is going to make, or that it usually makes, is a bullish move, or a move that is opposite to what it just did. So that's what I'm currently looking at. Once I have figured out how it all works, I will then post it as a strategy. So see right here what happened. The last move, 5 minutes time frame, was somewhat a bullish move, and then the opening candle spiked into the opposite of that. And this is where you can catch a few pips, maybe 5 pips. With a good lot size, you can make quite some money every day on the EURUSD pair and on the London session. So let's just check a few more examples. Okay, right here it's not really clear. Okay, Someone can say that was the last move. It was a bullish move. So if it is a bullish move, you would place a sell trade. If you place the sell trade, took quite some time, but at the end of the day it ended up dropping. That was a long one. That's why I said I'm still investigating this. I haven't made any final decisions. Okay, see what happened right here. This was the last move, and then the opening candles went into the opposite. I'm sure you could have had your 5 pips there and be good to go. Let's zoom in here. Okay, that was the last move, and then candles gave you the 5 pips. Okay, let's check some more examples, and I want you to also check for yourself. Okay, that was the last move. This is obvious. Okay, when the London session opened, it opposed that move. You'd get your 5 pips and be good to go. If you can have such tips on several currency pairs, I don't know about other currency pairs, but if you can have things like this, I'm sure you can make a lot of money in the forex market every day. Okay, you see that the last move was a bearish move, and then the opening candles opposed that. This is giving us an idea that you shouldn't risk so much until you are not even able to absorb a little bit of pressure. Okay, because you will have such cases. It's like what we looked at before. Let's just go back there. Okay, right here the last move was bullish, and then before price could drop, there was this bullish movement. Okay, there was this bullish movement, even though it's not much, but you should be able to accept or absorb a little bit of pressure. Let me continue a little bit so that we can have a few more examples. I ended up here. Okay, let's just proceed. This is what I was talking about. So the last move here was bullish, and then when price opened, before it could oppose that move, it did continue going bullish a little bit, and then it opposed that move. Okay, it opposed that move. So don't be too greedy. Don't be too greedy. Let's take last examples. Okay, this is a bit tricky, but the last move is determined by this. Okay, not tricky, it's obvious. Okay, and then the opening candles gave you an opposite move. Okay, let's take the last one. This is really interesting, traders. It's so interesting. Let's see this. Okay, bullish opening candles, bearish. You see that? Okay, let me check again. It's very rare that you have something happening every day in the forex market. It's unbelievable. You see this opening candles oppose that. Traders, this is wonderful. This you can make a lot of money if you can dedicate yourself to this. I know what traders would do before I leave. What they will do is make a lot of money here. Okay, let's say you have a small account of $200. You put a big lot size, and then you make, let's say, $50 profit. what they will then do is go to other pairs during the day and lose the $50 they have made, or even blow their accounts. If there's something that gives you money, traders, you can just stick to it and it alone. So you can sit for this thing every day and be good to go. Be good with it. Be happy with the $50 that you are going to make day by day. So what I will do is maybe find more areas on other currency pairs where you have such things happening, and then I'll be posting them in my private group. Okay, in my private group. For you is to get to this group by registering with that broker that I've shown you, FXView. UK residents, I'm going to make a plan for you if you are in the UK, because you will not be accepted on FXView. So I'll see what I can do to add you into that group. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. I wish you a happy trading. I will leave the links in the comments section and in the video description. Thank you.